Young Jay, if you was supposed to win the $300,000, what would you do with your cash?
Obscene. If I should win the 300,000, if I should win the 300,000, for one, I decided that I am going to take up my career on my own. So the aim is to invest in Young Jay, you see me? So all of that 300,000 would go in my career, you know? And I would be grateful to be the winner of that, you know?
So Young Jay wants to reach where Bob Marley had reached, where Shaggy is at now, and beyond. So if you can support Young Jay by purchasing votes from Young Jay, then you will be assisting him to become the next champion of 100% talent. You heard him for yourself. Support Young Jay. Young Jay, they can support him on PayPal, support him on online banking, or just buy the votes from him. That was Young Jay.